quick video to show you how you can cancel or pause your subscription to the Aussie English Classroom. So in order to do that, if for whatever reason you've decided that you would like to pause your account, if you're going on holiday, or if you've decided you just don't have time for the Aussie English Classroom, you can pause the account. Or if you decide that it's just not for you, you can cancel your account at any time. So all you have to do in order to do that is go to the Accounts section, which is down the bottom here. Click My Account, and then you will see two buttons here. Pause, it should be paused, but I think this account is paused at the moment, and Cancel. Okay guys, so if you want to pause, obviously, just click the pause button and a little thing should pop up and it'll show, are you sure you want to resume this subscription, or are you sure you want to pause this subscription? So I'm going to cancel that. If you want to cancel, obviously just click cancel and the same thing will happen. So that's all you've got to do, guys. I will note that if you pause your subscription, you will still have access until the next time you are going to be billed. So the next time you are going to be charged money is how long you will still have access to your account before it is paused. If you cancel your account though, it will completely disappear. You'll delete that account. And if you want to come back to the Aussie English Classroom, you're going to have to sign up once again. Okay guys, so that's it for this episode. I hope it helps and I'll chat to you in the next one.